Bake with confidence, automate with ease. FermenSon Automatic Dosing, your secret to consistent success. Worldwide, we see industrial and semi-industrial bakeries facing quite some challenges these days. Bakeries are dealing with a shortage of staff, optimizing margins, lowering costs, reducing weighing errors and producing high-quality end products that consumers are still demanding. To guarantee a consistent quality product and find a solution to the consequences of these global trends, our innovation department and bakery team have developed FermenSon, a liquid clean label bread improver which enhances the authentic flavor of bread. There are multiple varieties of FermenSon, suitable for applications in all kinds of bread and laminated products. FermenSon is a liquid water-based improver, making it perfectly suitable for automatic dosing installations. This makes the process a lot easier by pumping the liquid improver into the dough mixer, easily dosing the exact right amount. The automatic dosing system is easy to use, more efficient and ensures a reduction in costs. You will need less staff, fewer errors in production will occur and you will have less waste. Besides that, the automatic dosing system is a closed system which ensures a cleaner bakery environment. To meet the bakery's demands and solve several issues in the production environment, we need an automatic dosing installation to unleash the full potential of FermenSon. This is where we at Sonneveld started to look for expertise in machinery and a partner to help us create solutions for the further development of the bakery of the future.
The collaboration between Kaakzijlers and Dosing and Sonneveld started in the development improving the dough quality by combining the best of two worlds. The dosing installation is designed based on the viscosity of the FermenSon, so that the dosing is always accurate and consistent. In consultation between customer Kaak and Sonneveld, it is configured for standalone, existing or new automatizations, depending on the customer. This makes the dosing possible in all practical examples. By automatic dosing instead of manual weighing, the chances of errors are prevented.
The collaboration between Sonneveld and Kaakzijlers and Dosing is part of our strategy to cooperate with everyone involved in the entire bakery chain. Together, we aim to make the life of the baker easier and more efficient. We create a tailor-made solution which is ideal for your situation. We also provide an intensive guidance process, including testing at your bakery and with your staff, until everything is fully optimized. Would you like to talk to one of our experts and possibly start testing? Please fill out the form on our website and we'll reach out to you as soon as possible.